this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate managed reviews on your website. So we have a few different ways of using reviews on your website. We have a way to pull in Google or Yelp reviews for your business. And we also have this way where users can leave reviews right on your website. And you can go through and approve or disapprove and select which ones you want to show. So this is the reviews page. You're going to want to link to this page from somewhere on your site. And basically someone would just come on here, they'll put their name, a title, put in a review, and a rating. And then they would submit their review. And once they submit their review, you can go into your account dashboard here and go to Social and Reviews Manager. And now we have a sample review in here, so this is what it's going to look like once you've got a review. It's going to say Status Submitted. So we're going to go into the pencil icon here. And we can just go ahead, if we like this review and we want to display it on our page, we'll just go to Status and we'll approve it and save changes. And then if we go back to our reviews page and refresh the page, you're going to see the review is showing on our website. Now, if we want to link to this page from our website, we can just go back to the dashboard, edit site, and maybe we want to pick one of these items on our menu bar. I'll just take the About Us. We'll switch this to Customer Reviews. And we'll just link that to the reviews page. Social reviews is going to be the Google or Yelp reviews. But if you want the managed reviews, it's just the reviews page. And we can apply changes. You can always change the icon if you want. And if we save, publish, we go down here, click on customer reviews, and we're here with our reviews page. And that's all for this tutorial.